What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Lola, and I call people that subscribe to my channel my low riders because they riding with me all the time. So if you want to be a low rider, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. You guys, today I'm just going to be doing some lightweight cleaning. My kitchen needs to be done. It wasn't that much, but it still needed to be done. And also my bedroom. When I recorded this video, I was not feeling the greatest. You know, when you're not feeling the greatest, you don't really want to put no effort into cleaning or doing anything else. But I pushed myself that day. I got up and I did what needed to be done. So sit back, relax, and watch me clean. You guys don't say nothing about my colander. I love it. It's old, beat up. I've had it for years, and it's my favorite. Now it's time to fold some towels and then put the sheets back on my bed because, you know, when you have a cold and everything and then you start feeling better, you feel like you need to clean the sheets. So yeah, I wash my sheets and some towels. And yeah, I'm about to fold these towels up and make my bed up and probably get right back in the bed too. And another thing, I know I'm looking rough, but like I said, in this video, I was sick. Well, just started feeling better, but my asthma was like really bad and I had a cold on top of that. So I hadn't done anything to my hair in a couple of days and didn't plan on doing anything to it that day either. But I did motivate myself enough to get up and clean up. Ignore my headboard. I need to fix that, and I'm going to fix it real soon because it is long overdue. My excuse was that the pillow's always covered up, so you can't really see it unless I'm making my bed up. So I guess that's that. I'll be fixing that pretty soon. It was at this point where I realized I should have just stayed in bed and not done anything, because now I'm starting to feel bad. I can hear myself wheezing. I can feel my chest getting tight. So I was like, just let me get these pillows on this bed, and that is it. I am done for the day. You guys, the sheets that I put on my bed, they are so soft. They're like furry, but they are so soft and comfortable. I got them from, I believe, either it was Burlington's or Ross. I need to go back and see what other colors they have because these sheets are so comfortable. Guys, there's a bench at the foot of my bed, and what you see me folding, not really folding, but stretching out right there, I laid that white throw across that bench, and it looks so nice. You can't see it because of the way I have the camera going.